Hello everybody, welcome to Fresh Talk channel. I am Zele. I'm going to show you. Here is a football semi-final of Late Partner Memorial Trophy. It is organized by Zeme Fc at Mahur ground. The semi-final is played between Zeme Fc and mpoi Youth Club. Among the 32 teams, they are also one of the tough and best team, and they reach up to semi-final. Let's see who will be the winner of this semi-final. Here wearing white jersey is Zeme FC and wearing red jersey is mpoi Sporting Club. There is a supporter of today match. Both teams are playing very well. The referee of today are very good. The main judge is Mr. Program, and here two linemen. One is Mr. Paul and one is Mr. Solang. Here again, Paul. Wow, the game is over. Zeme FC 5, mpoi 0.
Zeme FC.
Hello friend, we have successful program by that grace, and thank you for those who are coming and joining with us. I hope you too will get a blessing from, because you are helping us, though it is not a tasty one. And thanks to those who come and join with us. May our Heavenly Father bless you all. Hello friend, there is a good news for all. Team Chili is available here in Haplo. You can come and get. For today, that's all. Thank you. And please do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you everyone. Bye.